let us diag this misfire on a 2016 Volvo XC90 T6. This has the 316 horsepower 2-liter supercharged turbocharged 4-cylinder.
Wow!
Yeah. So I just got back from a test drive. This thing only misfires under load. It doesn't have any codes. According to the scan tool data, however, that last test drive I took had over 150 misfires from cylinder 4. So right here's the ignition coil for cylinder 4, cylinder 3, cylinder 2, and cylinder 1. So under those coils, there's a spark plug. So what I'm going to do to figure out if it's either the coil, the spark plug, or something in the cylinder, is I'm going to take the coil and I'm going to swap it, that cylinder 4 stuff out, swap it to cylinder 1. Then I'm going to take the spark plug from cylinder 4 and swap it to like cylinder 3. And then, you know, those would go back into this hole. And so this hole would have cylinder 3's spark plug and cylinder 1's coil. And so when I put it all back together and drive it, if I have a misfire again on cylinder 1, then I know it's the coil. If I have a misfire on cylinder 3, then I know it's the spark plug. If I have a misfire on cylinder 4, however, then I got to start checking things like compression. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to go ahead and just take out. I'll just do these two here. So I can, holy hot, that's crap. So I don't have to go far with everything. So cylinder 2, I'll just use the cylinder 2 coil in 4. So I'll do that. Golly darn heck, I'll tell you even freaking heck. All right, now cylindrical 3. Let's take and drop this bad boy down in the yonder hitter. Let's see, where was that? Right here. There's cylinder 3 spark plug. This is going to be really hot. Okay. Cylinder 4 spark plug is going to go right out and then into 3. What did I do with my heck? In case you're curious, this is just a Torx bit with a spark plug boot that's been kind of sanded. So it grabs onto the spark plug at whatever angle. And I could just spin it out and I could get the plug started way easier. Uh-oh. Nothing really going on with that. So we'll go back down in a hole. Come on. Do your thing. To the place of the fire and explosions. Sweetened. All right, already swapped the cylinder 4 coil to cylinder 2. Here is the cylinder 3 coil going back in 3 because that's where we put the cylinder 4 spark plug. And then we have a cylinder 2 coil going in 4. Yep. Wow. Yep. Oh, flip. Everything is so hot. It's so spicy.
Why is it spicy?
Oh my goodness goshness. Oh, this is too many hot. Well, I didn't have any gloves, so I grabbed the second best thing, which is a finger warmer, colder. That's better. Much like. Okay, where's my, there it is. Let's give these a quick yat. Plug them in. reconnecting the hoses. Do pluggings first. Brain only do one thing at one time. Oh, freaking hot. Killer. All right. Let's go put some boost to it. Key. Look how nice and dork it is in here. Much like. Here, I'll do showing you of the screen of this. So the bottom three are cylinder 1, 2, and 3 misfire data. And then if I scroll down a page, cylinder 4 is there. And so my last test drive, I scrolled down to 4, clicked it, and saw 150 something misfires on that little test drive, and I saw 1 on another cylinder and 0 on the other 2. So let's see what we get on this drive, but I first got to put it into boost because it runs fine otherwise. So not a lot of misfires there. That's annoying. All right, let's come to another stop here. Oopsie doodle. I don't know what that was, but it's on the floor now. And give her some sauce. Yep. She's a ripper. So I just checked the scan tool data for cylinder 2, which is where our ignition coil is sitting. And I'm pretty sure we need an ignition coil. The hotter it gets, the worse it gets. Current drive cycle, value 18. It was just at 16. So I'm going to turn around down here and we'll see if we can make that climb a little more. So just so you can see, cylinder 3 is at 1. And cylinder 4 is at 1. Time for sauce. And there we go, just check cylinder 2 after that hard pull, and we got 52 misfires this drive cycle, confirming that the misfire is 100% caused by the ignition coil.
He makes a great point.
So I'll get one of those ordered, and we'll stop having misfires and bad fuel economy. And that's how to diagnose a misfire.
Thanks.